is throwing TNT. I think you can see what this is. This would be really cool. Oh, and this is the map? Yeah, you better take a good look at it because you're probably not going to see it after I'm done. So next up is sticky TNT. I believe this one might stick to walls after it detonates. Oops.
I'm an idiot.
Yeah, it's definitely sticking. But other than that, it's a normal explosion. This one's pretty tight. Oh, it also might suck in mobs. Let's find some mobs to test that theory on. Mobs!
Come out.
You know what? I saw someone inside this building, so... And next, we have house TNT. This one is also quite self-explanatory. I'll do a nice little house. I like that it's not too unique because most things give you a really good house.
Overpowered.
Let's check if there's those crafting recipes. If you were to do an survival. The house is always the same, as you can see. I think it might be one of the old village houses, actually. With a TNT. Ah, more! Now we can finally test my theory on the sticky TNT. Come on, chicken. Well, it hurt her. That's for certain. Okay, so with a TNT, I'm sorry, chicken, but you're the only mob in age. So as you can see, it gives you with a 2 for about 10 seconds. And it's a decently large explosion. Some of these sorts of things just spawn in the wither though. Cool. Let's blow up a bunch at once because of course that would be more fun than just one. See, it makes a giant crater. Floating TNT. Where would be a good place to check this one out? Yeah, this is a great place to test it. Because, well, there's a ceiling. As you can see, it levitates up into the air. This place is never going to be the same. Because nuclear missile inbound. Repeat, nuclear missile inbound.
Repeat. Self-destruct sequence has been initiated. Repeat. Self-destruct sequence has been initiated.
Oh my god, what is going on? Yeah, I don't think this place is ever going to be the same. It's gone. Naturally, we just have to put more on the roof, of course. Two at once. This scares me. Yeah, this place is never going to be the same again. It's gone. And now if we dig down deep into the ground, I just want to show you the full extent of its range. Oh, I didn't mean to light myself on fire. Sorry. Basically, underground, this will show you what its full range actually looks like. This is what it properly would look like. The full entire explosion. Ice TNT. Let's also show you, I think it's a good idea to dig down like a few blocks just to show you how big these TNT's explosions actually are. It extends rather far. This one probably would have been better to test on land, but oh well. Oh, that's not ice. Oh well. The ice TNT might detonate it, actually. This is a cool experiment. Oh, that was fun. Oh, TNT. Team Trees should have done this. Would it have been more or less expensive? I wonder. I mean, they got pretty good deals on those trees. $1 trees, a really good deal. Hello?
Except they spent $2 million.
So if you need a
I mean,
forest and a
$20
hurry
million
for a
on
build or something, TNT's got your back. I say it's TNT, I just like that name more than Tree TNT. They really missed that name opportunity. Didn't they? And bam, instant for all. Forest fire probably as well. Okay, so next, electric TNT. Okay, yep, we're just swapping all this stuff over. And I think that's about all. So electric TNT. You can imagine what this one does already. Causes lightning. I think the lightning might be doing the bulk of the destruction. Okay, 5 times TNT. How big are you going to blow up? Well, that's a decent sized crater. Fire TNT. Do we even have to ask you what you think this one will be? It's obvious. It's like the nuclear missile but smaller, and also electric TNT for good measure. Yeah. I love destroying this. This is so fun. Okay, we need to lightning TNT this one. I'm getting off track. Next up we have arrow oh no, this is compressed. I'll get to you later. Sorry, compressed TNT. For arrow TNT, I like this one because it doesn't destroy the terrain.
Does make it
But
messy.
it does rain arrows, or it probably would be super deadly to try and survive. So the compressed TNT you saw earlier, yeah, let's make it 9 times the compression. Don't try this at home. I don't think many of you have TNT at home, but as you can see, it multiplies with the TNT and more. We need to blow up a giant TNT with 25 times TNT. Wait, did I show 10 times? No, I didn't. So just to put the 10 times TNT into perspective, bada bing. Even more good measure, let's just blow up the 25 times TNT in here. TNT needs it. Oh my goodness, we also need to test this on land. This area is never ever going to be safe. Will it? It's just dead. Okay, let's move on to 50 times TNT. Just hit it. We're going to 75 times the power bar.
No pig!
So if there was a 70 times TNT, that would be what it
The pig's dead!
Next up is sponge TNT. This one. First one to guess what it does wins $1,000. Actually, let's make... It's great for draining out the river, but the river's gonna come back, so not too much points.
Fun to mess around with though.
Oh yeah, this river. Oh, it's a wave. That's awesome. Have you seen that before? Oh my.
I feel like Moses.
TNT, and finally minus 50 times TNT. We have to destroy that tower with 50 times TNT. Yeah, it's epic. Looks too epic to resist. Oh, we should just probably spawn one piece in every layer. Or something like that. This is just to put into perspective how enormous the explosion blades are. And yeah, I don't think there's barely a tower left. Next is ore TNT. I wonder what this does. I haven't tested these, or I assume it's going to turn stuff into diamonds by bullets. What did it do? Oh, I think I know what it does. So if I dig down far, like really far, and when you blow up, you should see some ores. Ores. There must be ores in here somewhere. There would be ores. can see, it's probably more useful for mining. Instant TNT. This one's great for traps. Like, you just saw what happened there. I wonder what happened if we set up fort. Nope. Okay, they have potion TNT. I think I can guess what this does. Actually, what did it do? Does not afflict me with the potion effect? Funny. That one must be a bit bugged. Maps don't really get updates often. Oh, miner's TNT. This one would be great for getting down into the ground, because, well, yeah. There is one more TNT I need to tell you. But we're going to do a gigantic explosion with it. It's called Lucky Block TNT. I thought it was just Lucky TNT. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to make this place, which is horrendously damaged already, even more damaged. So basically it can turn into any type of TNT it wants to be.
This build is great though. It's like grand.
I think it might even be capable of turning into normal TNT. Oop, that's 3 overlapping. This place is never going to be the same. It's just not. It's just gonna die.
I'm sorry, guys. This was the best.
Yeah, I think this place is not going to recover from this much TNT being placed. And yeah, let's explode it now. Oh, with the TNT, that's great. Now it's igniting so many more nuclear TNT. I see multiple nuclear TNTs. What is going on? My computer is lagging. My iPad is lagging so badly. As you can see, it is really luck-based. I need to... What happened? He broke everything. Bye-bye. This might be all for this video. Bye-bye.